Hey there. So just a quick message on how to do a voice drop and why it's so powerful. So a voice drop is, instead of writing a message to someone, you simply press the button on your phone and you leave a message by voice. And the reason this is so effective is because it communicates enthusiasm. It communicates energy. It's a personal touch where you cannot give that same kind of touch in a written word. Written word's still effective, but a voice drop is way more effective. And so you can do a voice drop through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp, through text, your text on your phone. You can also do it on LinkedIn now. So you practically everywhere allows you to do a voice drop. And it's the fastest way for you to work. We provide you all the scripts, right? You certainly then can put your own touch to it, right? There should always be a salutation, right? Like, hey, Bob, it's been a little bit since I talked to you. Here's why I'm reaching out. Hope you're doing well. What, you know what I mean? Whatever you want to do, just your personal touch related to the person that you have. And then you drop your message and then you ask whatever your lead question is, right? So we have a scripts document put together for you that gives you, and these are proven, they work, right? So something like, hey, have you heard of the pink fuel yet? Have you heard of ketonic yet? Did I tell you about ketonic, right? Hey, are you still trying to lose weight, right? It's always a question. Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to get in shape? Whatever that is. Are you still into fitness? My favorite is my company just released a product that wipes out hunger while giving you energy, focus, and lifting mood. Is that something you'd like to learn more about? Or is that something that's interesting to you? Or is that up your alley? Or, hey, I remember you were trying to lose weight. Or I remember you were trying to be fit. What you will see, right, is when you ask a question nicely, right, then most people, if they're going to respond, will respond back. Now, not everybody does, right? So you will get what we call it ghosted by some people, right? So let's say you send 10 of these out, right? And well, it'll take you 10 minutes, right? So literally the way to get started fast is to do 100 of these in your first week. It's very, very simple to do. Everybody's got at least 1,000 people they could do that with if you look at all your different connections, right, in all your different mechanisms between your phone and Facebook and all the different areas that you have people that you're connected to. What will happen is, a percentage of them will respond back and say, yeah, I'd like to check that out, right? And you can just say something like, hey, I've got some awesome info about this product that's helping me wipe out hunger and feel better. Would you like me to send it to you? It can be as simple as that, right? And then you send the information, or you add them to the Facebook group, right? You say, great, I'm going to add you to a Facebook group, and then I'm going to tag you in the video. So I'll add you, and then as soon as you accept, I'll tag you in this video, and you'll be able to see the information and get all your questions answered and see if it's up your alley or not. Something really, really simple. Again, that's the beauty of the voice drop. If somebody doesn't respond, they either are busy and didn't get a chance to, or a lot of people don't recognize yet that they can get voice. And so you simply then, the next day, send a simple written message, very short, did you get my message? And many people respond back, oh no, or they'll say, oh yeah, I did, I meant to listen to that, right? So you'll get a lot more people that respond back. But that is simply how you can easily use a voice drop to build a business. And then from there, it's just a matter of numbers, right? So I hope that was helpful. Pull down the document and pick the scripting that fits you. Always be kind, always be honest, right? Always be open, no pressure. Very, very simple. Hope this is helpful for you.